On the last video, we've already made a special key blank for both BYD and Toyota by 2M2 TANK CNC key cutting machine. On this video, we are gonna use this special key blank to make a key copy.
It's the original key for BYD.
At first, connect the machine to the mobile phone by Bluetooth. Key database, vehicle data, search BYD, enter BYD, all key types, 速锐, this one. First one.
Here is an installation guide.
Install the original key, depending on the guide picture. Continue. Identify.
We've already got key biddings.
Install the key blank we made last time. And then cut the key. Continue.
This key is different from others. We only cut one side, that's okay. Try to turn the lock on. It looks perfect.